Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm down at the boat. First time in roughly 3 months. The reason being Mrs. Oh, we've got another boat starting. Mrs. Stardreamer has come down with a extremely bad, rare condition called Myasthenia Gravis, MG for short. So I am able to get down here. As you can see, she's looking a mess. We got storm, the Bertie or whatever coming in. So I just come down just to check it. And so here we go. This is a part 2. Because my action cam, which I've left on the boat, stopped working as I started filming. So, right then, now I got everything, I can leave. Yeah, because said she's got a life-changing condition. So unfortunately, the boat, this channel, is going to be put on hold for a while. I'm not going to be able to do any work until at least February of next year. So this is going to be the last video for a while. Thank you to everybody who's watched, subscribed. Hopefully the majority of you will stay. There's boat for sale. Yeah, but I said I don't know whether to sell it or not. The condition is that bad. She's been in hospital for a month, came home for 2 weeks, condition started to deteriorate, and she's now back in hospital. The first time she was actually in intensive care as well. This time intensive care have been made aware and they are keeping a check on her, but as of yet, fingers crossed, she hasn't gone up there. She's off for a scan today of her thymus gland. And we'll see from there. Some lovely boats down here and some not so nice ones. There's another one for sale with yachts go. This is my ramp, so we'll have a quick look at this one. Then I'll sign off after this. Fun fella. Nice big Yanni on the back. If anybody is watching this from around Swansea or local to Swansea and they want any photos or drone footage of your boat, then by all means contact me. If I can, if I got the time, no trouble at all, I'll do it, providing obviously you know it's going to go on YouTube. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up now. Let's have a look from the top of this ramp. Lovely day, but extremely cold. And it's going to get worse, but it's going to get warmer the next couple of days. Right then, lads. So if you want a video done or any photographs, let me know in the comments. My email's on here as well. So you take care now. Bye bye.